In this screenshot, in that review page, first name, last name. So this is the label controls. These are the label controls. The label controls are used for the getting names from the end users, and the label name is first name and last name. These two controls are called labels. And next, gender. There is a gender column for they have given list box. The list box, it shows the list of items. For that purpose we are using list box in our websites. So the gender field, it will collect the male female details. Phone number is a text box. We have to enter the phone number of the customers review, or they are going to give you a review about their phone number. And the travel date, in travel date for we have placed a text box. So the first two first name last name are labels, and the next two boxes, and the gender is a list box, and the phone number is a label and text box. Travel date, label and text box. And the next, there is a bus. We have to choose the bus, which type of bus you want to get it, non-AC, AC and AC sleeper. So for that they have used option buttons. Okay, so the option buttons are there, and we have to give a write your feedback here. We have to, the customers, they have to give the feedbacks. For that we are used for text box, or we can use for the combo box. So this is the explanation about this screenshot. So here what you have to do here, identify the buttons used in the review page given below, and then write them down in the box provided. You have to give a detailed explanation about that web page. So this is the task you have to do here. Clear, children? So how you have to give your answers in that form. So step 1, the controls are placed in that web page, text box and labels, and one list box, and option buttons are there to select the bus, and feedback collections for the scroll down, vertical scoreboard or horizontal scoreboard. You can give any answers. So this is the way you have to give your answers. Children, when we browse informations in websites, you can see, you can I hope you had experience browsing with websites. I hope how we are giving feedbacks in apps also. So in reviewing some apps, we can end of the activity, we can give some feedbacks in some apps when you book a tickets or paying some bills. So this is the simple task you can understand, just to give explanation about the controls or the objects are placed in the web page. Okay, so this is the workbook activity number 5, buttons. You have to give your answers and give you need presentations. I hope you can. I have explained all the answers. Give your presentation neatly and write answers neatly. The controls placed in the web page, text box, labels, and option buttons, and a vertical scoreboard, and explanations. Just to give a one-line explanations about the why we have used the controls in that web page. Write your own answers. Try to make your own sentence. You can improve your writing skills in English, and you can, if you make a mistakes, you can learn from mistakes. Mistakes are accepted. Make mistake, you can learn for any subject concepts. I hope you can complete this activity. Let me explain the next activity. Very good morning, children. This is the video for HTML editor book activity. You have to look at this picture and observe the picture. You have to write the controls and what they have designed in that web page. This is the task you have to do here. Children, look at the picture. What you have to do here, identify the buttons used in the review web page given below, and then write down in the box provided. So you have to look at the picture. This is the one review web page. You have to write what are the controls placed are there, and the names of the controls, and you have to give a detail about that web page. So this is the task you have to do here. Write your answers in the given space given below in your workbook. When you start writing workbook, put the date in left corner, top corner. Give your presentations neatly. Observe the picture, look at the picture. You can give your answers. It's a simple activity. I hope you can do. Let me explain about the activity. Children, I tell you how do you have to create a web page. Just take on A4 sheet and imagine what are the details will come in registration page. Okay, in the registration web page, we have to collect the name of the children and their blood group, their address, their contact number, and their other basic details: father name, father contact number, and place. Okay, which place we are going to see, or you can give any other options in that for place column. So these are the basic details we have to place in that registration form, or refer in Google just a registration web page. You will get more images. Go through the web pages. What are the text field and labels are there in the registration web page? Just collect a few more web pages. You can copy from, or you can add some items. If you missed in your web page, you can add it. So ask Google's help. You can create a web page. If you have a system, you can browse in system, or you can search in your mobile. Just write steps in A4 sheet roughly, and then come to your workbook. Give your answers. So this is the way you have to do this activity. Here in that page, you have to draw the controls in your workbook. You have to give one title for registration, students registration page, or camp registration, something related to the task. You have to give the name of the web page and draw the controls: name of the students and their father name, their father contact number, their address, date of joining, something, and give one space for the review or any other details, remarks, something. So this is the way you have to do this activity. You have to create a web page. Children, create this web page and draw your web page in that column provided in your book. Draw neatly. I am expecting good presentations. And below you have we have fill-ups. Name the elements you used to create the web page in the blank given below. In that fill-ups, you have to give your answers. What are the controls you have placed in the web page? The usage of controls you have to write. Give your answers neatly. Write the steps. First, write the controls objects are placed in your web page. The name of the controls. Put a hyphen, and then you have to explain why you have used for that controls. Give the explanations in one line is enough. Write all the answers and give a detailed description about the web page. So this is the task you have to do, children. 2 activity you have to do. HTML editor activity number 5 and 6. Write the answers in your workbook. Date you have to put in a top corner, left side top corner of your book. Put the dates and complete the writing activity. And give your neat presentations. Don't be defaulters. If you did not complete your previous homeworks, complete it. If you have any doubts, we can discuss within the TeachMeet live sessions. You can ask. In TeachMeet live sessions, you have to speak with me, give your feedbacks, give your suggestions, or how much still you are expecting from teachers, your feedbacks, your questions. You need any clarifications about or any information, so you can speak to teachers, get interacted with the teachers, and switch on your camera in TeachMeet session, show your face, and give your attendance. So follow the protocols what the teachers is giving. You have to do carefully. So complete these writing 2 activities for today. Complete previous homeworks also. If you have any clarifications, you can speak to me. HTML editor activity number 6. Web designer. Design a web page for getting the registration details of children who will enroll in a summer camp. Use at least 7 elements you have learned. Name the elements you used to create the web page in the blanks given below. So what the task you have to do here? You have to design one page. Imagine, apply your own creativity. Design a web page for getting the registration details of children who will enroll in a summer camp. About classwork. Those who have not completed previous lessons and this week lessons, complete the class workout, write the answers in book bag and write the answers for mentioned Romans.